G'day, I'm Laurie Lawrence. Some of you might remember me as a former Australian Olympic swimming coach, or you may know me from my current role as head of the KidsAlive Do the 5 Water Safety Program. For the sake of clarity, I mostly talk about 5 critical aspects of pool safety. KidsAlive Do the 5. But of course there's much more to it when it comes to doing a comprehensive safety check on your pool, fence and gate. As ambassador for the National Check Your Pool Gate campaign, I'm going to take you through some key points to ensure your pool fences and gates are safe all year round. The most important thing is to check that your fence and pool gate are sturdy and in good working order. First, the fence needs to be at least 1.2 metres off the ground, and the gap under the fence needs to be 100 millimetres or less. It's the same story with the vertical gaps between the pickets or balusters. They should be no more than 100 millimetres apart. Check to see that all the fence panels and their components are securely in place. Any rusting or missing screws should be replaced. Are there any gaps or holes that would allow children to crawl through? Check that there are no climbable objects lying outside the fence. No pool furniture, no chairs, no barbecues that could be used by toddlers to scale the fence. And remember, shrubs and trees can be climbed. So make sure that they're always trimmed so that they can't be used as footholds. Finally, for the fence, make sure all the pool toys and accessories are removed from the pool area and stored securely. These colourful items are merely temptations for small children. Now for the big one, the pool gate. Statistics show that up to 88% of toddler drownings in backyard pools occur as a result of a faulty or propped open or missing gate. The most common means of unauthorised access to pools by toddlers are faulty gates or fences, gates that are propped open, or pools with no gate or no fence at all. A properly functioning gate depends on good hinges and good latches. Remember, faulty or non-self-closing hinges equals no gate, and a faulty or misaligned gate latch equals no gate. Effective self-closing and self-latching gates are critical. Let's run through some of the gate points. The gate should always open outwards, away from the pool. This stops kids using chairs and other objects to reach the latch mechanism. Is the gate secure in good working order and can't be opened by pushing, pulling, shaking or using implements? The latch release knob must be at least 1.5 metres from the ground, out of the reach of toddlers. Are the hinges self-closing? And can they be readily readjusted to ensure gate closure? Latches should be self-latching, bang, meaning they shouldn't have to overcome mechanical resistance in order to engage securely. They should close on the first swing, closed. Gates can sometimes appear closed, but in fact, they aren't latched, they're not locked. The safest solutions are adjustable magnetic latches, such as the MagnaLatch, and the child safety gate hinges, such as True Close hinges. These were proudly invented right here in Australia. Plus, they're manufactured right here in Australia. Finally, can you see any way to prop the gate open? If so, remove all such items. Well, that covers most of the important safety checks around your gate. There are other pool safety matters that are very important, such as teaching your kids to swim, learning resuscitation, and the need for parental supervision at all times. But they're a discussion for another day. Look, each year in Australia, we lose children to backyard pool drownings. It's important to understand that all such drownings are ultimately preventable. And while backyard drowning statistics have been on the decline over the last 20 years, let's face it, any life lost is one too many. That's why the KidsAlive program and other child safety organisations advocate pool safety checks at all times of the year. So remember to check your fence and your gate. Do it regularly and have a happy swimming season. Magnalatch and True Clothes are in the builder's hardware aisle of all Bunnings stores. Visit this website for a downloadable checklist.